How to unlink Steam from your social club. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily unlink your Steam account from Rockstar Social Club. So first thing, just open up your rockstargames.com and simply open this launcher and select this profile icon and select account settings and head over to your settings. So once you land on this page, you should see there is option that is linked accounts. Select it, and you can basically see all of your accounts which your Rockstar Social Club is linked to. So let me just quickly show you that if you were to have a linked account to Steam, you can easily unlink from over here by simply tapping on this unlink button. If you have one that is the account linked with the Steam itself, and you can easily unlink it from over here just like this. But if you don't see the option to link the account to Steam or having problem regarding unlinking the account from Steam, you can simply visit the support section of this Rockstar Social Club and simply tap on this account linking option over here, and or you can also just tap on the submit a request at the top, as you can see, and just provide your problems or issues regarding or related to that particular problem. So let's say in this example I'm heading over to my account settings, and I will simply click on this linking and unlinking account since I'm having problem regarding that, and I will simply tap on this submit a ticket, and now you can just fill out your details over here describing your issue perfectly like this, that you are not able to visit or unlink any account that is a Steam account from Rockstar Social Club. So just make sure to provide your Steam ID as well, which you can easily copy from your Steam account itself, and this will be responding you within some few weeks, and your issue should be fixed. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.